Hey, Heather from HookedOnPickin.com here. Got me another bulk box. We're going to see what's inside it. Didn't pay a ton of money for this one, so let's see if it's worth it. All right, so this box, the specs are that it was $85.49. It's toys. The big thing that jumped out to me was that there was a giant Minnie Mouse in here and anything Disney sells. So it ends up being $85.49 total after taxes and shipping. So that equals out to be $4.27 per item. I'll probably list everything for $4.50. There may be a few things in here that I did not get. This box is brand new, and so we're gonna jump right in it and see what we got. All right, let's get this open. Toys is something I like to list in fourth quarter because they go so well around the Christmas time. So awesome. So I'm already seeing fantastic condition, which pleases me greatly. Oh, look at that cute Minnie Mouse. Isn't she cute? So this is a fantastic Minnie Mouse. No marks or dirt marks or anything on her at all. So she's definitely new. And then we have a My Little Pony movie figurine set. Looks like everything is there. There's nothing extra that belongs in the box. That's one thing you always need to make sure you look for, is making sure it's not missing like accessories or anything like that. And it looks like that's the only thing that was supposed to be in there. This looks like a bedding set, Cloud Island bedding set. Yep, it's a sheet set. That looks like it's been opened, and so I'll have to definitely look at that and make sure the condition is good on that. Exploding Kittens. This has definitely been opened and retaped. Exploding Kittens is a super popular card game right now. I've heard a lot of my friends say it's super fun. All right, Lego. Box is beat up for sure. So corner of the box is beat up, but it looks like it's been unopened. And so this is probably something I'll probably flip on eBay rather than Amazon. Amazon buyers like to have stuff brand new. Then we've got another Minnie Mouse. So this one I'll definitely be able to sell new. This one I cannot because it doesn't, well, no, this is a totally different piece. I thought they were the same, but they're not. This one's bigger. So I may even, if I wanted to, sell this as a set. So you have kind of a little one and a big one. A lava lamp. We're going to definitely check the condition of that since it's glass, but it looks like it's totally still boxed up the way it's supposed to be. Yeah, it's all still sealed and boxed. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought it was broke. It's not. Just something moved in there. All right. So I will do further inspection on that for condition just to make sure that it works. I'll probably get it out, plug it in, all of that fun stuff. Lava lamp. Let me see. This is a little... This box might not have been brand new. It might have been on inspected returns. I'll have to look again. I'll let you know. I'll put a thing across the screen. So this is a little kind of robotic guy. It looks like it's been opened. Has the barcode. It's called a scarab. So we'll check that out. All right. This is a microwave steam sterilizer. Effectively eliminates harmful bacteria with the power of steam. So for baby bottles, you put your bottles in there and then it steams them and kills all the germs. Let's see what else we got in here. Sorry. Looks like that one's brand new. Packaging is a little bit torn off. So this probably will go on eBay, as well as the condition of the corner of this box is not Amazon worthy for sure. But I think this was an uninspected returns maybe, or a like new box. Unicorn puzzle. The box has been smashed to pieces, but looks like the puzzle's never been opened. So I probably can still sell it and just sell it on eBay with condition notes on the box. All right, there's a bunch of these things. This is probably the reason I bought it. Yes. So there's a ton of these remote control cars that are all brand new in the box. Looks like they're all the same kind. Yeah, they're all the black ones. And so I've got a bunch of them. There's 3 there. And then I've got 3 more in the box. So another black one. Oh, this one's blue. So that one is different. Another blue one. And then I've got the sheet set that matches that fitted sheet I've got. So looks like this is the flat sheet set. Cloud Island flat sheet set. And then I've got some cleaner. And when I went to the ASC Market Week, they asked for advice on how to pack the boxes. And I did say that if you're going to put anything liquid in a box, always pre-bag it. And so these are unopened, like the seal clips are still on them. And I can even look and make sure the seal is still on this. But they look like they've been opened, but they're unopened. Probably they just did this so that if in case of an accident where one of these gets broken, it doesn't destroy the rest of the stuff. So this is gel, baby gel, and then this is some sort of a lotion, shampoo, and conditioner. So 20 items. I think I can definitely make my 85 bucks back just in the minis alone. I think I can make my 85 bucks back. And then these are really, really promising. These look like they're brand new, untouched. And so I'm going to run the numbers and let you know how much I think I can make on this box. And I hope this has been helpful, seeing what you can get from a bulk box. This is a toy bulk box, $85. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.